A cute little bird with its tiny beak curl utters some strong words. Hey, be carefree. Fly free like me. Don't follow the herd free, cause even to wrong degrees, you need to always agree. Hey, be carefree. Fly free like me. Be like me. Craft your leg. Ever be happy. Aim high, touch the sky. Even if you can't, just try. Compose tunes soul. Sing your songs along. Now shake your legs and boom. Hey, be carefree. Fly free like me. Sing loud like an Asian cuckoo. Join crows and crew. Let's all mingle through our jingles. Dance gracefully like the peacocks. Dumb mental blocks. Get set your soul. Let's rock and roll. Glide like the feathers in the wild. Treat problems smile. For it is just fair to smile with tears.